이야기는 한때 미국에서 최고의 인기를 누렸던 어떤 유명 가수의 모습을 보여주며 시작합니다.
So let's try one with Tiny Tim and the Elvis Elves. Thoughts?
I guess waiting the limo is a little too open-ended, huh?
그는 폭발적인 인기를 누리는 스타였으며 눈에 넣어도 아프지 않은 가족들과 행복한 가정도 꾸리고 있었죠.
Give her a kiss for me, will you?
You sound tired, baby. You doing okay?
Shitty Christmas show the Colonel locked me into.
I'm sure the show will be great.
Hey, Ace, what happened to the phone?
Sorry, just trying to speed things up.
그때 그의 행복을 방해하겠다는 것처럼 잘만 운전하던 기사가 사악한 의도를 드러냅니다.
Well, this day just keeps getting better and better. I swear to God, I should have never gotten out of bed this morning. Oh, shit!
그는 노래만 하는 가수라고 믿기 어려울 정도로 마치 무술을 배운 사람처럼 상대를 제압하기 시작했죠.
Sorry about that.
어찌됐든 그가 세상을 헤집어 놓는 악당들을 제거한다는 것은 들켜서는 안 되는 일처럼 보였습니다.
Rise and shine, asshole. Where am I?
Oh, you are dead. You gotta be dumber than a mud fence to be talking right now.
You might want to listen to it.
Which house rule am I thinking about? You promised none of your vigilante nonsense in this house. Remember?
확실히 그냥 가수라고 하기에는 뛰어난 전투 능력과 더불어 주변에 있는 인물들 역시 만만치 않았죠.
Hell, he just does it because he gets off to it. Look at me. Here and now's where you tell me who sent you to kill me. Now you listen to me, scumbag. I promise you, Scatter's gonna pull that trigger. God damn it, Scatter. I was gonna say if he didn't talk.
게다가 그의 뛰어난 능력을 질투하는 것인지 이전부터 목숨을 노리는 이들이 한둘이 아닌 것 같았습니다.
I swear, this crime-fighting crap's gonna get you killed one day.
The guy with the exploded head started the whole damn thing.
Just like that. Huh?
My money's on them Bolivians.
Negatory. Not really around anymore.
Hey, what about that mob guy you ran into in Miami when you were doing that Sinatra show? There's that biker gang from last month.
Besides, though, this felt different. This guy was a pro.
그럼에도 락가수로서의 자부심이 충만했던 그는 자신의 본업에 집중하고자 하는 열정이 있었죠.
Just full tilt rock and roll, boys. How we used to do it.
Excuse me.
Well, lady one, lady two, lady three.
Okay, last one.
다만 그가 편하게 노래를 부르는 것이 못마땅하다는 것처럼 이제는 팬으로 위장하여 목숨을 노립니다.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
That was fucking weird, huh?
What the hell was all that?
Just doing my job.
갑자기 나타난 여성은 적들을 모두 손쉽게 제거한 이후에 엘비스가 공공의 적이 되었다고 얘기하죠.
Hey, what's up, boss man?
Think I might be on a kill list.
You sure this is a good idea, E?
Someone says kill list. I've got a few follow-up questions. You boys stay with the car, which means not buying coked up.
이렇게까지 된 이상 자신이 왜 암흑계의 표적이 되었는지에 대해서 이유를 알아낼 필요가 있었습니다.
Now there she is. Never got your name.
And there's a reason for that. Somebody wants you dead.
Who?
The name Charlie Manson mean anything to you?
그가 그녀와 대화를 나누고 있는 와중에도 적들은 엘비스의 주변 인물까지 공격하기 시작했죠.
That wasn't rhetorical. I'm really asking because I've got like 6 voices in my head right now.
Who, small side note, technically just kidnapped your friend.
You're not kidding. Where'd they take him?
Can't tell you that.
You're coming with me.
Careful.
You mind telling me why Dean Martin has a .38 aimed at my head?
찰리 맨슨이라는 인물이 왜 자신을 노리는지 알 수 없었지만 순순히 죽어줄 생각은 없었습니다.
Let's take a ride.
It's called Spawn Ranch. Used to be a movie set for old westerns.
Wow.
No shit, trust me, this is home base for Manson and his people.
Only one way to find out.
So boring. You know your friend's already dead. I don't know.
Hey, let me tell you something. Bobby Ray is a survivor.
God damn it, Bobby Ray.
Sweet mother of God.
다행히도 친구인 보비는 목숨에 지장이 없었으나 그의 몸에는 기묘한 문장이 새겨져 있었죠.
Whoa, easy with the gun, man.
You assholes kidnapped my friend.
Kidnapped? Who are you, the charred remains of my last lawyer? Now, relax. Grab a seat. We're all friendly.
Hey, E, maybe let's get the hell out of here.
본능적으로 그들이 위험하다는 생각에 도망가려 했음에도 찰리는 절대 만만한 인물이 아니었습니다.
Nice snap.
What the hell is this?
These are my people, man. Thank you, yes.
So are they here to just fuck around in the dirt or to watch you try and kill me?
광기에 휩싸인 찰리는 쾌락에 찌들은 사람이었으며 자신의 기쁨을 위해서라면 어떤 일도 서슴지 않는 사람이었죠.
We're all brothers and sisters here, man. We're a family. Seriously. Don't forget to get drugs, everybody. Force feed you LSD for 3 straight months. I promise you, you're gonna feel...
Yeah, bravo. Afraid I'm not your guy.
The King Pinky goes down, man.
You owe me a new badge, dickhead.
Get him.
Okay, some of those seem awfully big to keep in your pants.
아무렇지 않다는 듯이 일어나며 적들과 맞서 싸우지만 마치 좀비처럼 도저히 쓰러지지 않았습니다.
Hippie zombies!
They're so high they can't feel a thing. It's beautiful, man.
Hey, jackass! This!
Animals, look what you did to my beautiful family. Now you have to pay.
A grenade?
Okay.
다만 든든한 동료였던 스케터 덕분에 그의 사악한 야망은 영영 이룰 수 없는 꿈이 되었죠.
You fucking ass.
Sure we can't give you a ride?
Nope, got some cleaning up to do. Don't worry, we got people.
We being...
Good luck with the show.
Hey, speaking of, Bobby Ray. Yo! Score our new friend here some tickets.
Thanks, but no thanks.
Not a big rock and roll fan, huh?
Definitely my favorite.
한바탕 소란이 일어난 이후에도 엘비스는 자신의 노래를 통해 사람들을 행복하게 만들어주고 있었습니다.
So, you think he's ready?
또한 시시는 이전의 만남을 계기로 그를 자신의 편으로 끌어들일 생각에 잔뜩 부풀어 있었죠. 한편 엘비스는 전국 투어를 다니면서 환락과 쾌락의 도시인 라스베이거스에 도착했습니다. 다만 목숨의 위협을 받고 있다는 것을 인지한 순간부터 주변 사람들이 자신을 노리는 암살자로 보이기 시작했죠.
You're a killing machine. Now do what you were trained to do.
Baby, love the kung fu.
Hey, Scylla, you made it.
Great show, Satin. I loved it. The karate was different.
공연을 성공적으로 마치고도 불안함을 감출 수 없었던 가운데 시시가 그의 마음을 달래주겠다는 것처럼 나타납니다.
Jesus, you again? How the hell did you get in here past security?
Adorable. Oh, relax. They're still alive. I'm here to take you to meet my boss.
Your boss? Not interested.
Hey, you owe me for saving your butt at that Manson thing.
그녀를 따라가는 것이 옳은 일인지는 모르겠지만 혹시나 자신의 불안을 치료해줄 수 있을지도 몰랐죠.
So, where are we going again?
Don't worry about it.
And we're meeting who now?
Back in a couple hours, Scatter. Stay in the room. Turn that psychedelic shit off.
Jim Morrison is an actual god.
Would you look at that, E?
What is this place?
It doesn't have a name or even exist technically.
확실히 시시는 일반 조직에서 일하는 것이 아닌 것 같았으며 이에 속한 다른 인물들 역시 범상치 않았습니다.
And I thought my jet, the Lisa Marie, was tricked out.
Who's this Lisa Marie? She sounds hot.
This guy pissing in a jar in the middle of your spy plane.
Creepy is correct, yes, but definitely not homeless.
Howard Hughes? Hell, I'd heard you'd gone insane.
You sound like all of my doctors.
No bathrooms on the plane?
It actually has.
다만 그의 목숨을 노리는 킬러들은 이곳까지 찾아오면서 위협을 가하기 시작했죠.
I left the blowtorch cigarettes in my purse.
No.
Now where the hell are they going?
Let's do the math.
But now is the time for you to be going to the Heartburn Hotel.
Takeaway here is Elvis fans are worldwide.
왈가왈부하는 와중에도 그들이 비행기의 통제권을 빼앗긴 상태에서 할 수 있는 것은 없었습니다.
You're so my new favorite.
바닥에 그대로 추락하면 즉사할 수도 있었지만 다행히도 보비의 기지 덕분에 목숨은 구할 수 있었죠.
Easy. See?
Say easy again.
Now, where the hell are we? Hey there, what are you doing?
Trying to fix this thing.
You always carry one of those
I
around?
like to know where things are. Hijacked planes, ex-boyfriends.
살아나긴 했어도 떨어진 위치가 어디인지 알 수 없었기에 막막한 것은 마찬가지였습니다.
Hey, looks like Bobby Ray got the power on.
Oh, hey! Same here. I think I got this thing working.
Doesn't actually make it go any faster, but...
Hey, this is weird. According to my tracker, the plane's on the ground. And I mean, like, right over... Wow.
게다가 그들의 위치를 알아낸 적들이 순식간에 주위를 포위했으니 결국 붙잡힐 수밖에 없었죠.
Where are we?
Bloody goddamn commies.
You both snore like basset hounds with asthma, by the way.
그들은 아무래도 라스베이거스에 핵폭탄을 떨어뜨려서 세상을 초토화시킬 전초를 다질 생각인 것 같았습니다.
Simple. To vaporize. Mention that they made me turn the nuclear reactor in the plane into a nuclear
New Vegas?
So
Why?
being that they know TCB secretly runs all of Vegas as a revenue.
Ooh, pretend you didn't hear that.
Oh my god.
I just need a little help getting my dig out. So I injected myself with radiation, which is why I used the jars to save the plumber.
조금 꺼림직하긴 했지만 그의 말이 사실이라면 이를 시도하는 것밖에는 방법이 없어 보였죠.
Hero time, buddy. Time to fuck up. You were...
Can we hurry this up? Because we've got company.
Stop f***ing around, damn it! Hey, drop the penis!
그의 소변에서 나오는 엄청난 파괴력을 실감할 수는 있었지만 적들은 이를 가만히 내버려두지 않았습니다.
Because we are out of time.
Vegas where the one band is crashing. All those hopes down the drain. The daytime if you see it once.
Get that gym dog out of my face!
The last time.
Hang on to something!
Well, I'll always remember. Get rid of a thing.
Oh, just had to be the no matter what wire, didn't it?
But unfortunately for you, I've locked the autopilot on wake.
라스베이거스로 이미 자동 조정되어 있는 비행기에 계속 타고 있는다면 핵폭탄과 함께 자멸할 것이 분명했죠.
Damn it, Howard! I needed that guy alive to question him.
Disarming the bomb thing we were doing, it didn't go good.
Shit! And the autopilot's locked and headed for Vegas.
Everybody, grab on. Okay, who's groping my ass?
Probably the dead guy.
I'm actually not dead. I work for...
Oh, well, that's just fucking great.
다행히도 그들이 무사히 빠져나옴과 동시에 비행기를 황량한 사막 한가운데 떨어뜨릴 수 있었습니다.
What? Howard? Is that you? Melvin found me on the side of the road a few years ago and gave me a ride into town.
결국 아름다운 도시에서 즐기고 싶었던 편안한 휴식이 목숨이 오가는 치열한 난투극으로 마무리되었죠.
Vegas.
Copy that, Columbia. The Eagle has wings.
All it takes is someone with a dream.
All right, cat.
한편 엘비스는 인기 스타답게 노래뿐만 아니라 영화 촬영에도 열을 올리고 있었습니다.
You're Dr. John Carpenter, idealistic get a position.
Rookie America doesn't make out with nuns.
All right, listen up. We're gonna go again. And action. What the fuck? Oh, come on, people. What's more important?
당시 시대가 1970년대인 만큼 달에 인간이 착륙한다는 것은 인류의 문명에 어마어마한 업적이었죠.
The heroism of these men cannot be overstated.
So you ever get the feeling we could be doing something more?
이를 보면은 아무리 유명한 사람이라고 하더라도 자신의 모습을 보면서 회의감이 느껴질 수 있었습니다.
This is a giant moment in history.
It's like Taco Tuesdays, but for awesome people.
Oh, god damn it. What are you doing here?
Oh, kill an actual human baby for like 10 of these.
So what, is this what you do? You just keep showing up whenever you feel
What?
like?
I'm just a huge fan.
Get rid of this. Where the fuck are you getting all this? Flyboy.
Oh, he's this fella selling maps to movie star houses in the parking lot.
그런 와중에 나쁜 것을 팔아대는 상인이 냄새를 맡고 엘비스가 있는 곳을 찾아오죠.
Holy shit! Elvis!
Let me guess. You're flyboy.
Does that answer your question?
I'm a lot more interested in that other shit you're selling.
나쁜 사람인 것은 맞았지만 자신의 목숨을 위협하는 이들을 경계하는 것이 더욱 중요한 상황이었습니다.
So, I'll need to borrow a few things.
Wow, that actually looks way better on you than it did on me.
Mission control awaits word. The lunar.
Oh, fist me sideways. Where the hell'd he go?
영화 촬영을 뒤로 하고서도 에비스는 도대체 누가 자신을 노리는지에 대해서 알고 싶었죠.
Okay, baby, whatever you do, don't hurt the code.
I actually get that.
Paging Dr. John Carpenter right now.
All right, look, just cut the shit, will you? What are you really
Time.
up to?
Well, I know what this is really about, so let me just bottom line it for you. There's see-through walls.
Are you serious?
Dead serious.
그저 나쁜 것을 팔아대는 사람이라고는 하지만 이렇게 악당들을 제압하다 보면 언젠가 실마리가 잡힐 수도 있었습니다.
It's quite an operation you got here. Why don't you tell me who's in charge?
Guys, get in here!
Changes are a coming. Your head is in the sand while things are going to change your habits.
You know this shit's not gonna make you feel any better, right?
Agree to disagree.
A change of outlook.
Talk. That was way more than just local dealer coke up there.
적들을 완벽히 제거하는 것에는 성공했으나 이번에도 그들의 윗선을 알아내는 것은 실패해버렸죠.
Hey, you're ditching me?
Oh, damn, E. What the hell happened to my coat?
Yeah. You're gonna tell me about expensive clothes.
Okay. Just go find Big Rod.
그래도 플라이보이를 위협적으로 겁박한 결과 나쁜 것의 중추를 맡고 있는 인물이 누구인지는 알아냈습니다.
You mean a bunch of guns and bullets? What we need is to get you back to that set right now.
Oh, just quit it, will you? Oh, good, you made it back.
시시는 지속적으로 엘비스를 따라다니면서 무조건 자신이 있는 조직에 그를 영입하고 싶어 했죠.
We await word from the valiant crew of Apollo 11 on final descent.
달에 드디어 인간이 착륙한다는 역사적인 이야기와 함께 그들은 달갑지 않은 동행을 지속합니다.
Hey, buddy. Need to have a word. Buttons are not toys!
What the hell do you want?
Tell me about the drug shipment.
Shit, man. Cleopatra shipped out with that yesterday.
이미 배에 그들의 사악한 물건이 실려 있다면 여태까지 벌였던 모든 행동이 의미 없게 끝날 수 있었는데.
Nice coat.
Cover you? What? Tuesday.
Cover me. Hate hero time.
온 우주의 스타가 되고 싶었던 그에게 달에 가는 것보다 중요한 것은 나쁜 이들을 모두 소탕하는 일이었죠.
Angle down 3, 10 feet. Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
You giving away my fucking car? Already checked that box.
No, that car is gonna explode all over the place.
Wait.
Holy shit.
Big time.
Where to go?
그렇게 오늘도 모든 이들을 소탕하면서 영화 촬영장에 복귀하지만 제작사 측에서는 그의 부재가 곤란했던 모양입니다.
I'm out of here.
Get ready to have your mind completely fucking blown.
CC가 있는 조직의 수장은 마치 오래도록 그를 기다려왔다는 것처럼 성대한 환영식을 준비했죠.
So, wait a minute.
Say hello to Stanley Kubrick.
Our star seems to be indisposed.
Aw, he in the can?
No, he's coked out of his mind on top of the building and refuses to come down.
You're about Neil's size.
Want me?
That's right. Be the first man on the moon.
비록 직접 달에 발자국을 남길 수는 없었지만 이 덕분에 그곳에 도착했다는 기분은 낼 수 있었습니다.
Unless, of course, you want to get back to the nuns next door.
That's one small step for man, giant leap for mankind.
Ground control.
Welcome to TCB.
이런 성대한 환영식을 통해서 조금이나마 경계를 풀게 된 엘비스는 드디어 그들과 진지하게 대화할 마음이 생겼죠.
You've got questions. That's understandable. Which happens to be right now.
Have a seat, sir.
Who's this?
Oh, you're not the only connoisseur of exotic pets.
I actually went to Columbia Law School.
And now he picks up my dry cleaning. Shall we?
Did somebody order a total mind? Now, just relax.
What the hell?
Hi there.
Welcome to TCB.
TCB라는 조직은 마치 CIA와 마찬가지로 미국을 지키는 독자적인 비밀 단체 중의 하나였습니다.
I am the commander, the latest in a long, illustrious line of TCB commanders, 1952. World's first hydrogen bomb. But our technology is nothing without the secret agents to use it. Now, if you're watching this, that means you're probably pretty famous. And not just for the fame, but more importantly, for the will to succeed. And that's why, for over 100 years, TCB has utilized celebrity Humagate to keep America safe.
한마디로 TCB에 속한 요원들은 미국의 시민들을 지키기 위해서 만들어진 정의의 조직이라는 것이었죠.
But remember, at TCB, we don't just bend civilization to our will. And remember, you're not just a celebrity anymore.
What, you expect me to believe all that?
I think you and I both know you already do.
Kick-ass spy gadgets?
Kind of the whole point.
Saving America.
세상의 악인들을 모두 제거하고 싶었던 엘비스의 입장에서 그들의 제안이 제법 마음에 들 법도 했습니다. 자신을 노리는 악당들도 제거할 수 있겠다는 생각이 드는 한편 일부 노인들이 파티를 즐기고 있었죠.
Who doesn't love Elvis?
That man's a menace.
When a little kiss I want to see.
And don't even get me started on his butt.
DJ가 갑자기 이상한 음악을 틀자마자 평범했던 모든 노인들이 흉폭하게 변해버립니다.
It's working even better than we anticipated.
Response rate?
Over 50%.
Who even dresses like that flying around the galaxy?
이런 사실을 몰랐던 엘비스 일행들은 오랜만에 아무런 위협 없는 휴식을 즐기고 있었죠.
Ah, Miss Birdie, I presume.
Club that almost got my precious Elvis killed in a nuclear fireball.
Are you ready? Because your training starts now. Well, at TCB, we train by not training.
그가 곧바로 임무에 투입될 수 있도록 TCB의 수장인 커맨더는 그를 혹독하게 훈련시킬 생각이었습니다.
Did I mention a jetpack may be involved?
Where we headed?
Are you familiar with
I
Altamont?
got a hippie orgy concert kind of shindig. Got it.
Gonna be cameras around, so just make sure you blend.
훈련 중에 가장 실전에 적합한 훈련은 결국 직접 현장에 투입되어서 적들과 몸을 맞부딪히는 것이었죠.
Oh, good. It's, you. So you gonna tell me why I'm here?
Some unknown bad guys stole some TCB technology and may have turned it into a sort of sonic weapon.
Dangerous how?
Oh, that's all we've got so far.
That's pretty damn vague.
Yeah, there's no jetpack, but you do get one of these to stay in touch.
이전에 사람들이 음악을 듣고서 모두 이상해진 것을 보면 확실히 이곳은 위험이 도사리고 있었습니다.
Yeah. No way this ends badly.
It's about more than just sex and man.
Anything to report?
Yeah. What do you know about the Hells
Free
Angels?
beer, sort of pro bono, but for raging alcoholics.
Those guys by the van who are dressed like, but definitely are not Hells Angels. They don't have chapter patches. They're fake.
Can't be back here, little lady.
Says who?
Me?
그들이 앞을 막아 세우는 것은 당연한 일이었지만 악인을 처단한다는 공식적인 임무를 저버릴 수는 없었죠.
Sorry, pal. Off limits back here.
You want to try that again?
All right, lady, look, you need to leave.
Relax, Jerry and I go way back.
You know what? You're not his type, okay? Come on, let's go.
Do you know what my favorite Elvis song is?
What the?
그들과 평범하게 대화를 나누던 도중에 엘비스는 본능적으로 현재 그들이 벌이는 일이 위험하다는 것을 감지합니다.
Still a big fan, I hope.
Destroy that damn thing, Scatter!
초록색 물체가 어떤 위험성을 갖고 있는지도 몰랐으며 스캐터가 다쳤기에 일단은 후퇴할 필요가 있었죠.
What are you doing?
Talking on a phone that smells like Scatter's junk and trying to do both our jobs.
Hey, Bobby Ray, wake up! Wake up! You flown one of these before?
No, but this thing's just an upside-down riding lawnmower.
열심히 도망가는 와중에도 역시나 그의 든든한 동료들은 인기 스타를 저버리지 않았습니다.
Time to mow the lawn. Woohoo!
Hey, E, here you go!
The mission's always like this?
Only the good ones.
이번에도 위험한 일이 따르긴 했지만 어찌됐든 모두 크게 다치지 않고 무사히 임무를 성공했죠.
I'm listening.
Good. Come alone.
다음날 에비스는 심각한 표정으로 누군가와 전화를 하더니 그리피스 천문대라는 곳에 도착합니다.
Then go to the far left elevator and take it to the basement.
Welcome, Mr. Presley.
You're late, Mr. Presley.
Well, it's a hell of a commute. By the way, not really what I was picturing for a headquarters.
이곳은 TCB의 본부가 있는 곳으로서 이제 엘비스 역시 본격적으로 요원 활동을 개시할 생각이었죠.
Welcome to TCB headquarters. This is the beating heart of TCB. 10 stories beneath the Hollywood sign, impervious to nukes.
역시나 미국을 수호하는 비밀단체답게 화려한 시설과 함께 유용한 인력들을 갖추고 있었습니다.
And here's our weapons testing range. Speaking of, watch out for these blast doors. They'll cut a toe clean off. Turns out he's kind of a moron. We call that the pit. No rough housing near that thing.
So I assume I've got an office around here somewhere? Commander?
That's something you should probably take up with your supervisor.
오랫동안 이곳에서 활동했던 CC는 팀장의 자리에 올라 있었으며 싫기는 했지만 엘비스가 그 팀에 속하게 되었죠.
You gonna sit for the briefing?
Not really my style.
Seems like a weirdly stubborn style.
Now you're getting it.
So, down to
Fine,
business.
turn that concert into a bloodbath.
People bleed, okay? No time for that right now. We have a bit of an emergency. A file that threatens to expose the existence of TCB has fallen into enemy hands.
다음 임무는 TCB 조직의 중요 자료를 원래의 자리로 다시 회수하는 일이었습니다.
I'm gonna assume that you just got your slides swapped here.
That file will land on Nixon's desk in his private residence. You two need to get it before he does.
문제는 이 자료를 갖고 있는 대상이 바로 현재 미국의 대통령인 닉슨이라는 것이었죠.
Listen up, Commander. I'm not stealing from the president.
It's not stealing if it's not his.
So, what'll it be? Shooters? Melters? Exploders?
It's a non-lethal mission, Howard.
Fine. Oh, wait! New idea! Have you seen the new tranquilizer gun?
조직 최고의 과학자였던 하워드에게 유용한 장비를 받기는 하겠지만 이것만으로 성공할 수 있을지는 미지수였습니다.
But the commander wants us to keep up appearances, so you'll be flying.
So you want me to help you break into the second greatest home in America? There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go.
그래도 나라를 지키겠다는 막중한 사명감을 품고 있는 이상 안 돼도 시도해볼 수밖에 없었죠.
Well, your funeral. Now, are you sure you can get to Nixon?
An idea or two, mostly along the lines of Elvis Presley, to see the president.
Okay, that was pretty cool.
Sorry, Elvis. You can't take this in.
But it's a gift for the president.
무엇보다 목표는 그저 자료를 회수하는 것이었기에 인기 스타인 엘비스의 명성을 이용한다면 쉽게 성공할 수도 있었습니다.
Hi, and welcome to the White House. By now, you should be passing the Roosevelt route.
Room's named after a bear, by the way.
I need you focused on the mission.
Who, yours or mine?
It's the same mission!
It's an absolute honor to meet you, sir.
Ugh, gross.
Mr. President?
The Oval Office was designed by a guy named Brian who believed all right angles were a sign of the apocalypse.
Total fucking idiot. What a bunch of bullshit.
그래도 상대는 미국의 대통령이었으니 조금이라도 틈이 생긴다면 의심이 생길 것이 분명했죠. 엘비스가 시간을 끄는 동안 CC는 유려한 몸놀림으로 TCB의 자료가 있는 곳을 찾아다녔습니다.
Thanks. Wait, how did you get in here?
스케터는 침팬지라는 특성을 이용하여 아무런 의심도 사지 않고 이곳에 들어온 것 같았죠.
You see, I brought you something, sir.
Bet I could take down a drug-dealing hippie from 50 yards with
You, sir, have earned it.
Damn it. This hallway should be empty, but of course Nixon has private security douchebags. Wait, what are you doing? Are you stealing? Oh, don't worry, I steal too, all the time. I just call it souveniring.
이 덕분에 CC는 비밀 통로를 발견할 수 있었으며 경비에게 들키지 않고 안으로 들어가는 듯했는데
Well, one great gift deserves another.
Federal Narcotics Officer.
Now, the badge is only honorary, of course. Also, maybe beat up a few Jews while you're at it.
Do what now?
Oof, that took a turn.
I meant Negroes. They blend for me and sometimes literally.
닉슨의 모든 얘기가 말도 안 되는 헛소리에 불과했지만 시간을 끌려면 어떻게든 맞장구를 쳐주어야 했습니다.
Did you just shoot the First Lady? Hilarious! Okay, now watch the door, okay?
Barely 2 o'clock.
We're still in here. Stall your shitty racist hero.
No, you know what? Can you wait a second, Mr. President? Let's get a photo together. Let's do this, CC.
Excuse me?
Hell of a grip, son.
Whoops, left the lens cap on. Whoopsie daisy. Hang on. Oh, hell, I hadn't used one of these in a while.
Good news. I got the file.
Okay, flash on, film in, cap off.
Quite a grip there. Almost broke my hand.
Should have just shot that racist bastard.
On a secret TCB mission. Would have made a splash.
During the mission that's about hiding the existence of TCB?
다행히 파일을 챙기긴 했으나 문제는 엘비스가 보비와 나눈 대화가 녹음되었을 수도 있었다는 것이었죠.
The file means shit if you're on tape talking about TCB.
Can we just call it Commander?
That managed to hide in the shadows for fucking centuries?
TCB는 대통령도 모르는 비밀 조직이었기에 이 정보가 들어간다면 곧바로 해체될 것이 분명했습니다.
Alright, that must be it over there. Okay, that works too.
Kennedy blackmail, Johnson blackmail, Arnold Palmer black.
What the hell are Nixon's sex ideas?
Okay, I just went ahead and cut a full 17 minutes out of the tape.
뒤에 문제가 생길 수도 있었지만 당장의 상황을 타개하기 위해서는 백악관의 경비들과 싸워야만 했죠.
Congratulations! Blow your mind mode engaged!
Okay, yeah, probably time to go.
커맨더의 의지에 따라 만든 비공식적인 비밀 기관이었기에 마차를 빚어서라도 정체를 들켜서는 안 되는 것이었습니다.
As requested.
God, my nipples are hard.
후에 문제가 생기지 않게 하기 위해서는 그래도 겨우 얻어낸 닉슨의 정보를 통해서 압박할 필요가 있었죠.
Little nickname between Pat Nixon and I. The woman's insatiable. Hey.
한편 지속해서 기묘한 음악을 통해 군인들까지 미치게 만들어버리는 장면을 보여줍니다.
The USO show. What can you tell us about it?
현재 미국은 베트남과 전쟁 중이었으며 엘비스 역시 그들을 위로하기 위해 위문 공연을 준비하고 있었죠.
They're called dancers.
You really think it's a good idea to put those ladies in front of a crowd of GIs?
Hello. Am I interrupting?
What the hell's Robert Goulet doing?
Why, I'm part of this USO show.
굴레는 당대 또 다른 스타 중에 한 명이자 엘비스의 라이벌이었기에 그의 등장이 별로 탐탁치 않았습니다.
Well, jealousy manifests itself in mysterious ways, doesn't it? Welcome to TCB. So glad to have you on board.
Goulet? What kind of half-assed operation you running here?
위문 공연도 있었지만 그들이 이곳을 찾은 이유는 바로 다음 임무가 주어졌기 때문이었죠.
This leads us to believe the weapon you two saw at Altamont may be here now. A sonic weapon that turns people primal.
Primal?
But the good news is, it doesn't work on everybody. It's 50% effective, thus the math.
You seem to know an awful lot about this thing.
Well, we experimented with this technology years ago.
And now someone stole your little toy and turned it into a weapon?
Exactly. And you two are going to get it back.
백악관에 침입하는 것이나 비행기에서 뛰어내리는 일도 위험했지만 실제 전장에 투입되는 것은 보통 일이 아니었습니다.
Hell yeah! Jesus! Hey, ever heard of this new thing called not trying to fucking kill us?
Let Bobby Ray have his fun. He's not gonna get anybody killed.
따라서 최대한 베트남 군인들과 마주치지 않으면서 사람들을 미치게 만드는 기술을 훔쳐와야 했죠.
Any idea who this contact is we're meeting?
Nope. Just hope to hell they know what they're doing.
Hell, if I'd known the Army was handing out hot shit like this, I probably wouldn't have dodged the draft.
Excuse me?
I had 3 cousins who got drafted and only 2.5 of them came back.
모든 전쟁이 목적이 있다지만 이는 결국 세상의 평화를 해치는 일이었기에 절대 있어서는 안 되었습니다.
Now it's just shitty politicians shipping pretty hot guys off to a fucking meat grinder.
Well, holy shit.
Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Starting with the fact that she's my mom. There. One big river of Freudian shit. Mom.
You look great.
가족으로 이루어진 조직은 아니었지만 공교롭게도 CC는 자신의 어머니와 함께 일하고 있었죠.
Otherwise known as Cece's mom. I'll be taking you guys in country.
I would have guessed younger sister. But I'll take your word for it.
Well, that's a cocktail I'd chug in the shower. But yes, I joined TCB right out of college and had Cece a few years later.
Well, it is when you have no idea who my dad is.
비록 자신을 제대로 키워주지 않은 그녀에게 반감은 있었으나 임무의 사적인 감정은 배제하는 것이 좋았습니다.
The broadcast location's on the other side of that clearing. Everybody stay low. Take your time. Just enjoying the view.
Well, I hate to put a crimp in your plans, ma'am, but I'm married.
그때 이곳이 전장이라는 것을 실감하게 만드는 것처럼 곳곳에서 폭격이 쏟아지기 시작했죠.
Okay, whoever said it sucks here may have a point. Who in the hell are those guys? You two sit tight. Be right back. Cover me.
On it.
엘비스는 순식간에 적을 제거하고서 안에 잠들어 있는 기묘한 음악의 기술을 목도하는데
Now that's what we in the business like to call done and done.
Well, this calls for a celebration. Who's up for a few drinks?
Jesus, Mom, you're getting desperation all over his shirt.
다만 이것이 가동된 순간부터 CC의 어머니가 이성을 유지하지 못하고 어딘가로 뛰쳐나가 버렸습니다.
Vietcong Tunnel Network. She's been infected by that device.
Yeah, but she still sucks, though, is the takeaway. Okay, Captain Nice Guy, I got this.
겨우 그녀를 제정신으로 돌렸지만 지뢰까지 밟아버렸으니 문제가 갈수록 쌓여만 가는 듯했죠.
But you can't leave me here, Cece.
Yeah? Give me one good reason why.
I'm already standing on a landmine, all right? So I don't really need a slap in the face while I'm at it.
Careful.
모녀 간의 싸움이 듣기 싫다는 것처럼 갑자기 주위에 있었던 폭탄이 폭발하며 그들을 덮칩니다.
E! Jesus, boss, you okay?
Officially been better, buddy.
어찌저찌 임무를 마무리한 엘비스는 지쳐있는 군인들을 위로하기 위해 최선을 다해서 공연을 펼치죠.
Love you boys. Stay safe.
다만 자신의 정체를 숨기고 있는 적은 그들이 편하게 공연을 즐길 수 없도록 모두를 미쳐버리게 합니다.
You and your strip show.
Sonic weapons backstage! Somebody take it out now! It's coming
미쳐버린 군인들을 간신히 피하긴 했지만 엘비스가 파멸에 이를 때까지 상대는 고삐를 늦출 생각이 없어 보였죠.
Okay, let's make this quick. I've got a conference call in 10 with the Dalai Lama.
I assume we're flying to Africa for some kick-ass reason.
다음 임무는 바로 가두어두었던 전직 TCB 요원이 탈옥했기에 이를 다시 잡아오는 일이었습니다.
He escaped with the help of the Weather Underground, and they handed him off to the Black Panthers.
You gotta be kidding me. Timothy fucking Leary?
Writer, psychologist, and all-around pretty cool cat.
Not to mention a drug fanatic who got fired.
히피들의 대부라고 불리는 인물이 조직에 속했던 것을 보면 TCB는 생각보다 방대한 점조직을 가진 것 같았죠.
Because Nixon's after him too.
Nixon?
Because of Leary's public advocacy for psychedelic drugs, Nixon's made it his personal mission to get him back.
대통령인 닉슨까지 그를 잡기 위해 각고의 노력을 다하고 있다지만 그들에게는 하워드가 개발한 위치 추적 장치가 있었습니다.
Thanks to a tracking device we implanted in Leary years ago, we know right where he is.
You'll need this.
What am I, your fucking secretary?
That could track the signal from Leary's implant.
Looks pretty damn cool.
Leary's holed up at the Black Panthers embassy, so the embassy should be understaffed. Perfect time for a snatch and grab. I invited the lovely Miss Birdie to join us to discuss some Elvis business.
심지어 엘비스의 든든한 조력자였던 버티까지 공식적인 아군이 되었기에 그들은 더 이상 거리낄 것이 없었죠.
It's a nice day for a show.
It is literally 3,000 degrees here. Sweating is the body's way of saying it's dying, okay? Instead of baking alive here, I'm gonna go recon the embassy.
Don't go in there without me.
Okay, overprotective and bossy. Got it.
Hey there, little lady.
Can I help you?
Here to see George.
흑표당이란 조직은 아프리카계 미국인들이 만들었으며 극좌익 성향의 무장단체라고 할 수 있었습니다.
Now, if it was a list of people who've stolen black culture, then you'd definitely be on that.
Elvis, yeah, that's you. Let's get that funk on, brother. Elvis on the mothership, y'all.
If you excuse me.
That's Zara. She's a pain in the ass with the clipboard.
엘비스가 오랜 동료를 만난 한편 CC는 몰래 흑표당의 본부로 잠입하고 있었죠.
Choose anything you please.
Stupid sweaty palms. Algeria. Air conditioning. That's the stuff.
Even warmer. I'm proud of you. Even colder. God, you're bad at this. Okay, warmer now. White hot now.
Tall drink of gorgeous water. Yes, please. Oh, go to sleep. Go to sleep, you sexy thing. Hey, wake up. Hey, Dr. Strangelove, get the hell up. He's stoned out of his mind.
티머시를 발견하긴 했지만 잘못을 저지른 TCB 요원이었기에 친절히 대해줄 필요는 없었습니다.
Don't worry, I'm taking it to get it fixed. Back in a jiff.
흑표당 역시 그녀가 쉽게 빠져나가는 것을 가만히 내버려둘 리가 없었으니 서둘러 도망갈 필요가 있었죠.
Where'd you get the van?
Same place I got him.
What the hell? Nice job. Missed a hell of a show, though. What do you think you're doing?
That's my line.
다만 같은 극저익 성향이었던 자라 역시 그들에 대해서 딱히 좋은 감정을 갖고 있지는 않았습니다.
Hey, maybe want to tell your buddies to dial it back a bit?
Hey, don't look at me. We're a government in exile, dedicated to fighting America's repressive system.
Yep, sorry.
Okay, I've had just about enough of this shit.
Who the hell are these new assholes?
심지어 흑표당뿐만이 아니라 다른 이들 또한 그들이 티머시를 데리고 가는 것에 대해 반감이 있는 듯했죠.
Whoa, you know how to use that thing?
Pretty much, give or take. Take it easy. You just point and shoot. How hard can it be?
Well, this is gonna leave a mark.
Whoa, where the fuck's Leary?
Those assholes must have taken him.
Ah, shit.
그들이 정신을 잃은 사이에 목표 대상마저 잃어버렸으니 문제가 한두 개가 아니었습니다.
Still got that tracker?
The tracker puts Leary out there, somewhere on that sub.
Goddamn submarine fight? Exactly the kind of badass spy shit I signed up for.
다만 위험한 일을 수도 없이 겪었던 그들에게는 바닷속에 들어가는 일 정도야 별것 아니었죠.
So what are you doing running around here anyway? You're just a kid.
Thanks, white guy dad.
George mentioned you sing.
Oh, honey, I can sing my ass off.
If the music thing gets real, give me a call.
You know, you did almost get me killed a couple times.
Getting warmer.
God damn it. Ugh, Jesus. Still?
Well, looky here.
What are they doing with all these?
Man, you're on fire.
그들을 노리는 적들의 음파 기술과 더불어 대상을 손안에 넣었으나 잠수함이 침몰한다는 경보가 울리기 시작합니다.
Can't hold this much longer. That right there. That's exactly why I need a fucking submarine.
Which I'm sort of wishing we were back on right now. Kidding me?
What?
Bringing that back might have made up for blowing up the plane.
You kids done chatting?
비록 이전까지는 그들에게 안 좋은 감정을 가졌지만 엘비스의 따뜻한 마음씨를 보고서 자라도 그들을 돕기로 했죠.
I am bored out of my fucking mind here. I know you're holding. Just give me a little something.
임무를 무사히 끝마치고 그들은 티머시와 함께 다시 미국으로 복귀하고 있었습니다.
Ugh, damn, nothing. You know Tom Jones does a killer version of this song.
Don't you have something else better to be doing?
I mean, I guess I could try licking Leary's face again.
나쁜 것과 관련하여 능통했던 그는 환각에 휩싸여서 현실조차 제대로 파악하지 못하고 있었죠.
Hey, I know you, man.
That's kind of how being me works, buddy. Now you mind?
I know the other you. I worked on you in Germany.
Pretty sure you're tripping on something.
I'm like the Ray Kroc of getting fucked up.
Well, good luck with that.
You're Tupelo. You're Project Tupelo, man.
다만 그가 투펠로라는 이름을 말하자마자 머리가 어지러운 것을 보면 엘비스의 과거와 연관이 있는 듯했습니다.
Yeah. What is it, another flashback? Take the LSD and free your mind, brother.
Ladies and gentlemen, please return to your seats. We will be landing in Memphis shortly.
When we get in the terminal, form a perimeter around my Elvis, and no matter what, y'all keep moving.
여전히 미국에서는 엘비스에 대한 인기가 열풍이었으며 모두들 그를 따라하기 바쁠 정도였죠.
Welcome home, E. Got the caddy waiting outside, all shined up and ready to roll.
Long distance and
Damn, it's good to be me. Starting right now, Graceland is off limits for the weekend.
Easy, Tiger. It's not like I want to hang out with you either.
본업에 집중하다가 임무까지 수행하던 팔자였으니 얼마 만에 사랑하는 아내의 얼굴을 보는 것인지 몰랐습니다.
Look, I got a little surprise for you. I was thinking maybe we can connect on a...
비록 나쁜 물품이긴 했지만 현재찌들은 자신의 심신을 편하게 해줄 수도 있다는 생각에 이를 섭취하는데
I'm still not feeling anything.
Damn, me either.
Surprise, asshole! How's this for kicking in?
What the fuck?
Exactly.
What the hell are you doing here?
Funny story.
That I don't want to hear.
I'm surprised you didn't see the fireball.
What the hell are you talking about?
CC의 말에 따르면 아프리카에서 다투었던 적들이 벌써 미국까지 따라왔다는 것이었죠.
Relax, nobody followed me.
Kill that! Finish him! Chew on his dead eyeball!
I'm losing it.
Yeah, by the way, Agent Overkill, I'm pretty sure he's dead.
You're gonna pass on the eyeballs?
I didn't mean to kill him. I wasn't even trying to.
비록 환각제를 먹고서 정신이 어지러운 상황이었지만 이대로 순순히 그들에게 목숨을 내어줄 수는 없었습니다.
I got it from Leary.
You have been holding out on me this whole time, you piece.
Lucky shot, hillbilly.
Could be more coming here.
Or not. Maybe try being more positive.
Oh, really love what you've done to the place.
커맨더의 얼굴을 뒤집어 쓴 적들이 눈앞에 아른거렸음에도 엘비스는 최대한 적들을 하나하나 제거해 나갔죠.
Okay, Cupcake. How the fuck did you follow us?
With the tracker you left in our submarine. Thank you.
Don't look at me.
You're the one who left the tracker on the sub, dumbass.
다만 그들에게 위치 추적기가 달려 있었다는 사실 때문에 쏟아지는 무수한 적들을 상대해야만 했습니다.
Oh, way I'm pretty.
Yeah, you know, great times.
Can't believe I'm gonna die in your tacky jungle fantasy room.
What? Like your jungle room's way more refined or something?
The waterfall's a tad much, King.
서서히 환각제에 시달리며 적들에게 포위되는 와중에 프리실라가 놀라운 힘을 통해서 그를 구해주죠.
Priscilla, that was incredible. Where'd you learn to do all that?
I've been taking karate lessons.
How the hell am I gonna explain all this to Priscilla, huh?
Well, she's tripping her ass off, so I wouldn't worry about it. TCB has a cleanup crew. They'll get this place back to all its cheesy splendor in no time.
If you follow us, she dies.
Mind if I appropriate this side of your neck?
아내를 구하러 가는 동안에도 커맨더의 환각은 그의 머릿속을 어지럽히기 시작했습니다.
I'm going after Priscilla. You get the other two.
You're not the boss of me.
Listen up. Some assholes kidnapped Priscilla. You got this, my man.
Hell yeah, I got this. Here's a song by Mr. Chuck Berry. Hit it, boys.
You do know that Chuck Berry is the true king of rock and roll, right, King?
Did they hurt you?
I'm fine. Just go.
그녀를 간신히 구해내는 것에 성공했으며 프리실라는 인기 스타였던 엘비스의 고충을 어느 정도 알고 있었죠.
God damn, who do you think you are, Elvis Kenovis? Oh man, I know I've been giving you shit, but that was pretty badass.
이제는 도저히 환각과 싸우는 것인지 적들과 싸우는 것인지 도저히 분간이 안 가는 상황까지 오게 되었습니다.
This animal came to your house, held a gun to your wife's head.
The extra head's got a point, honey. Maybe you should kill him.
You're a killing machine. You're my killing machine. Please don't have to kill him.
결국 머릿속에 울려대는 목소리에 이끌려서 그는 상대를 처참하게 죽여버리고 말았죠.
So how long do you think this lasts?
Can't be over soon enough for me.
Oh, fuck, look at the time. I gotta go. I'm late for Jack Nicholson's acid trip.
Exactly how I found them. They've been sitting like that going on 12 hours now.
놀라운 사실은 여태까지 그들이 벌였던 행위가 모두 티모시가 건네준 환각제에 의해서 벌어진 일이라는 것이었습니다.
I'm surprised he's still alive, actually.
Got any more? Here, I know you're holding. Just give me a little something.
Look, Howard, I didn't ask you what I should name it.
Still loving Rhinostradamus.
Hey, what the? You know what happened to the last guy who did that when I was on the phone?
한바탕 소란이 있고 나서 엘비스는 자신이 임무를 수행했다는 것을 보고하기 위해 커맨더를 찾았죠.
I got your boy Leary back for you.
Great. You want a thank you hug or something?
Leary mentioned something that got me thinking.
Oh, is that right?
Project Tupelo.
이전에 투펠로라는 이름을 듣고서 머릿속이 어지러웠던 것을 떠올리면서 그는 분명히 TCB와 관련이 있다고 생각했습니다.
I think there's a ton of shit that you're not telling me. Know that.
You're good at quietly stalking people, right?
Allegedly stalking, to quote my lawyer.
Keep an eye on Elvis for me. Let me know if he gets up to anything.
Will do.
Nice setup, Howard.
Oh,
fuck nice. An entire database that fits inside a single room.
이대로 살아가는 것에 대해서 회의감이 들었던 그의 입장에서는 자신이 왜 싸워야 하는지를 알아내고 싶었죠.
Turns out he wanted something more vanilla. It's an ultra classified area.
And the scatter cam is up.
This is kid stuff.
Simple trail and tail, buddy.
또한 자신이 힘들어했던 타이밍에 커맨더가 등장한 것을 보면서 이 프로젝트와 연관이 있다고 느낀 것이었습니다.
I always imagined the days be busier.
Oh, come on.
Got him.
평범한 하루를 보내는 것처럼 보였지만 화장실에 몰래 들어가는 것을 보며 이때다 싶었던 엘비스.
Look, it wasn't my idea. The commander asked me to.
This right here. This right here. This is why I'm done trusting you people. This has nothing to do with you.
Oh, come on. I've been dying to see Sublevel 7 for years.
Just don't get in my way. Jesus. There are vein lines in there.
다만 CC는 그를 감시할 뿐만 아니라 그렇게 하더라도 커맨더의 비밀은 파헤치지 못할 것이라고 단언하죠.
This woman just runs around making plaster casts of famous people's private parts. Not sure this counts as art.
This is a real skill.
What kind of f***ed up birthday parties have you been going to?
What brings you to my studio?
Well, I just figured it was.
곤란한 과정이긴 했지만 어찌됐든 이를 통해서 커맨더가 화장실에 숨겨놓았던 공간을 얻을 수 있었습니다.
Oh, yeah. Well, also could be that one. Wait, what if the commander's down there?
Birdie's got it covered.
Wow.
What is this place?
안에 들어가자 꽤나 거대한 장식물들을 발견할 수 있었으며 과거 여러 위인들의 물건들 역시 배치해놓았죠.
And there's the caddy Hank Williams died in.
Must have all been TCB agents. Holy shit, is that the one Jim Morrison died in? Is it just me or is it creepy as shit down here?
Yeah.
여러 물건들을 보면서 호기심이 생기긴 했지만 엘비스가 정말 알고 싶었던 것은 투펠로 프로젝트라는 것의 정체였습니다.
And that's me backstage at my first concert at the Overton Park Shell. This is my whole life. What's this doing here?
놀랍게도 그곳에는 마치 엘비스를 스토킹했다고 해도 과언이 아닐 만큼 그의 물품들이 즐비했죠.
Again.
심지어는 어떤 사진을 보면서 이전부터 자꾸만 떠올랐던 끔찍한 기억이 다시 머리를 어지럽힙니다.
Yeah, how about we don't find out what those are?
이곳에 침입하는 것을 결단코 막겠다는 것처럼 과거의 위인들은 그들을 위협하기 시작했죠.
Shit! What now?
What are the chances that thing still got gas?
How we doing?
Great! I'm having a wonderful time!
Not falling for that again.
Oh, good. So they're invincible and annoying.
We gotta go back.
Now, what we gotta do is find a way out of here.
CC의 도움으로 인해서 간신히 빠져나오긴 했지만 조금 전의 광경은 엘비스에게 너무나 거대한 혼란을 가져왔습니다.
What the hell are you people doing?
Sit down.
Sit down. Your friends here are about to. Oh. Ah.
That was a warning shot.
총을 들고서 겁박하자 그제서야 커맨더는 엘비스에게 이전부터 가져왔던 관심에 대해 얘기하죠.
Oh, wait. Oh, you mean that Project Tupelo?
Start talking.
You know, I've been a fan of yours for a long time. The way you controlled the audience, your legions of fans, it was hypnotic. You were the cultural phenomenon. You started a revolution, sonny boy, and that scared people.
즉 커맨더는 그의 사람을 이끄는 능력이 너무나 탐이 났고 이를 위해 여태까지 그의 인생을 조작했던 것이었습니다.
A device that could duplicate the power, the control you had over people. So I had you drafted into the army.
That was you? Exactly how long you been fucking with my life?
We had to study you. He pumped you full of all kinds of psychedelic crap that, frankly, I don't even want to understand. Hey, we had to. That's science. I don't make the rules. Harnessing your essence, your very DNA, in an actual device. Could it make you kill? And it worked.
What?
But we couldn't control it. It turns you into an animal, the homicidal maniac. Yeah, so we had to shut the whole thing down. But hey, better now though, right?
이러한 그의 계획은 엘비스가 TCB에 합류했던 이유와는 전혀 무관한 것이었기에 반발심이 생길 수밖에 없었죠.
Because you're in TCB now. My greatest triumph. You really want to throw all that away?
That won't solve anything.
This probably will, though.
Wow. Wow. Solid entrance.
But you can't kill him. TCB is the only family I've got.
You used me. You used me to create some kind of rock and roll terror. Now get the fuck out of my house.
이로부터 20여 년 전 로큰롤 음악에 심취해 있는 어떤 소년의 모습을 보여줍니다.
Hey, I thought you had a televised sermon tonight.
Yeah, I did.
Wait, really?
But little did I know that I would come home.
I swear it won't happen again.
I banish this devil's vinyl to the fires of...
Father!
Damn you, polyester!
Father!
아버지의 반대와 이로 인해 벌어진 참사임에도 불구하고 그는 이때부터 에비스를 원망하게 되었죠.
This is kind of nice.
I promised you more time for us, and that starts right now.
Hate to interrupt.
But you're gonna muscle through it anyway.
Gabriel Wolf, by the way. President of Wolf World Communications. You know, we bid for the broadcast rights, but we lost out to NBC, damn it.
Well, Gabriel, based on my personal life experience, you actually came.
Of course. Good luck tomorrow.
이번에는 만남이 인사로 끝이 났지만 그의 끓어오르는 원한이 언젠가는 에비스의 발목을 잡을 것이 분명했습니다.
What are you doing here?
Oh, well, I thought I was in line to get Don Ho's autograph.
If you're here to try to get me to come back, you can forget it.
I don't give a shit. Believe whatever you want.
You people just stay away from me.
자신의 인생을 조작했다는 것에서 엄청난 실망을 느낀 그는 아직까지도 TCB 조직에 대해서 반감을 갖고 있었죠.
What?
Oh, I know your car chase face when I see it.
What were you saying about Priscilla?
She had to catch a flight back to Memphis.
Really?
Bobby Ray will be back in a sec to pick you up.
Well, back from where?
From picking up the kid.
What kid? Oh, I'm sensing a little subtext there.
I saw you talking to that woman last night.
Okay, this may sound bad, but you're gonna need to be way more specific.
I'm counting on you.
한편 TCB에서는 에비스 없이 다른 요원들을 영입하며 다른 임무를 추진하고 있었습니다.
When we captured the asshole with that blueprint over there, he gave us one word. Malice.
Ah, shit. I gotta go. Oh, no, 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 no!
Say words. Go. The f***? Both of them?
다만 순식간에 요원들이 죽음을 맞이하면서 커맨더는 다시 에비스를 영입하기 위해 손이 발이 되라 비는 수밖에 없었죠.
Well, I'm about to play the biggest concert of my life for the entire planet.
Need a quick favor, though.
Off.
So you've said.
Explain.
Okay. You remember that sonic weapon we've been attached to the satellite that'll be broadcasting your concert to millions of Elvis fans watching?
Trillions.
무슨 말을 해도 무시할 생각이었지만 콘서트장에서 참극이 일어난다는 소식은 그의 눈을 번뜩이게 했습니다.
Guess what? I got two less after your idiot friend ran over him in the parking lot.
Bobby Ray.
It's got to be an inside job.
Won't be long now. My grand finale.
결국 여태까지 에비스를 공격했던 인물은 바로 울프였으며 그가 음파 기술을 훔쳐가면서 그런 고초를 겪었던 것이었죠.
You realize you're basically asking me to save the world from myself?
Yeah, and then you shot me twice and quit. After all I did for you. Point is, are you going to help me or not? We're running out of time.
Okay, I'll do it. But not because you asked me.
자신의 팬들의 안전이 걱정되었던 에비스는 끝내 그의 제안을 수락할 수밖에 없었습니다.
Do you actually enjoy being this predictable? Yeah, sorry, had to borrow your little friend here. We need him.
For what?
For that, to fly up to the satellite and disarm the sonic weapons.
Well, this is your chance to prove them wrong. Own it.
음파 무기를 해체하기 위해서 스캐터가 먼저 날아간 한편 그들은 인공위성을 해킹하고 있는 지점을 급습하죠.
Oh, then what the hell are we waiting for?
Where are all the bad guys?
You just had to fucking ask, didn't you?
Honestly, I don't know which was better, my aim or my entrance.
놀랍게도 이전부터 투닥거렸던 굴레가 조직을 배신하고 울프의 편에 붙은 상태였습니다.
So you're the fucking traitor.
Traitor's such an ugly word.
현재 인기를 다투고 있을 뿐만 아니라 과거에도 안 좋은 인연으로 얽힌 것이었기에 그들의 사이가 좋을 리 없었던 것이었죠.
Back then, I was the commander's right-hand man.
I watched you turn into an animal.
You should have done it. Waltzing into TCB like you owned the place.
The talent, the legions of fans, the amazing music. That wasn't enough.
어찌됐든 그들은 울프의 끔찍한 계획을 무마시키고 배신자를 처단하기 위해 본부로 복귀합니다.
We still gotta get Scatter when he comes back down.
No. That was a one-way trip. He's stuck up there.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Where are you going?
To the airport, goddammit!
Okay, that's just fucking wrong.
I'm going to get him.
스케터를 구해내기는 했지만 현재 우주선의 상태 자체가 그리 좋지 않았기에 이를 해결할 방법을 찾아야 했죠.
Hang on, E.
You can't do this.
Got a show to do, buddy. You never leave a packed house waiting.
인류의 운명을 위해서 목숨을 내던지는 에비스의 희생을 마지막으로 애니메이션은 끝이 납니다. 마이크 대신 권총을 들고 나타난 인기 스타를 등장시키면서 신선한 방향으로 풀어낸 액션 애니메이션 에이전트 엘비스였습니다.